A random epiphany is the best thing a person can have. Hello, good morning, and welcome back. This is 20th of February 2026, and let me explain why. A sudden realization urges a person to question what he is doing, and sort of this has been happening for me for the past 3 4 days, not years, days. I have been literally doom scrolling on Instagram for the past few days, and एक sudden surge मिलता है ना of that dopamine. I kind of hate that. So a conscious realization kicked in कि bro, you have to stop. This is not the way in which you need dopamine or that high state. And it kind of got me thinking on a few aspects of what I'm doing. Currently there are a few things which I am doing wrong, and I have to make sure that I make changes so that I kind of don't start my procrastination and time wasting again. So थोड़ा कॉन्शियस रह के आई हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आई डोंट यूज़ इंस्टाग्राम रैंडमली, और जो शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियोस रहते हैं यूट्यूब पे भी डोंट कंज्यूम दो शॉर्ट फॉर्म वीडियोस रैंडमली. एक स्पेसिफिक टाइम देना है, वो स्पेसिफिक टाइम में कंजम्पशन वुड बी गुड, बट हर टाइम ऑफिस के वक्त, जिम के वक्त, खाना खाते वक्त इट्स नॉट अ गुड थिंग. And this will probably be a long term issue if I carry on. So consciously I have to take care of it. So from today what I have started doing is, even if the urge comes of watching an Instagram reel or a YouTube short, I keep my mobile in my pocket, or I keep my mobile away for a short duration until that urge goes away. It becomes hard at first, I know, but I have to do something because I can't carry that on for a long time. It is detrimental and it wastes a lot of time of mine, which is not a good thing. So my stomach is off today. I don't know why. I don't know the reason behind it. Since yesterday evening, something got fucked up in my stomach, and मेरा ऐसे पेट गरम गरम है, and it's not good, not feeling that good. But at least the good thing here is that I haven't screwed up my stomach 100%. मतलब जो डायरिया वगैरह हो रहता है ना, या मतलब स्टमक इन्फेक्शन वगैरह रहता है, वो तो नहीं है. सो आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट कि फूड इंटेक वगैरह में कुछ इशू नहीं आएंगे. बट दिस इज ऑल्सो अफेक्टिंग मी ऑन सम लेवल. थोड़ा ऐसे अनईजी अनकम्फर्टेबल फील हो रहा है, विच इज नॉट हाउ आई एक्सपेक्ट माई डेज टू गो. बट कोई ना, इट इज लाइफ, इट इज अ ह्यूमन बॉडी, एंड समटाइम्स shit things like that. Yeah. Most probably my guess is me drinking protein powder way, that is yesterday before going for my haircut, was the culprit behind all of this. Because before that everything was fine. After, no, I guess chicken was the culprit behind it, because my mom put some additional amount of masala in it, and I guess that's the problem. I don't know. Okay, let me keep it over there. Yes. So I'm ready to hit the gym. I slept for a few minutes, literally minutes. I didn't sleep for an hour or so. I slept for a few minutes, and क्या ही बोलूं, मेरा दिमाग ही नहीं चल रहा. So Gaurav came by. He wanted some pre-workout powder, and I was really surprised by the amount of pre-workout that I use as my daily intake, and I'm gonna take the knock. So I don't know why, but the pre-workout powder, it's gone a bit, hard, as if it has catched some moisture. Most probably it has catched some moisture. I have to keep it properly because I'm not intaking a lot of pre-workouts, so it would go for another month. But if I don't keep it in a proper manner in a dry place, what will end up happening is the pre-workout powder would go hard and everything will be fucked up. Because that's an expensive pre-workout powder, to be very honest. Yes. So as I was saying in the morning, थोड़ा सा Instagram में इसका consumption मैंने वैसे भी कम कर दिया है because I do not want myself to indulge in a lot of content consumption. हाँ मतलब content consume करूँगा मैं to learn what's trending and what's new for me to improvise in terms of putting out content from my side. But the thing is, I'm gonna restrict myself consuming content, unnecessary content, because it doesn't make sense. मेरी productivity has gone down. मतलब gone down बोलने से अच्छा जो थी उससे भी बहुत कम हो गई है अभी. And office work and workouts and editing इसमें इतना ये मतलब ये सब चीज़ें इतनी बर्डनसम हो जाती है कि मैं क्या करता हूँ कि जो मुझे ये बाकी एडिटिंग टाइम है वो मैं इंस्टाग्राम और इसमें वेस्ट कर देता हूँ. बट आई डोंट वांट माई सेल्फ टू बी that guy who doesn't work 100%. I'm just giving my 85-80% right now, and I know I can give 100% of my whole efforts. See, in terms of overall productivity, I'm not specific इससे बोल रहा हूँ मैं, overall productivity जो चीज़ें मैं लाइफ में कर रहा हूँ वो रिगार्ड्स में, because there are a variety of things that I'm doing. I'm trying to be jack of all trades because since the very young age I have been jack of all trades. I never concentrated my efforts, 100% of efforts on a single domain, single platform, and that kind of has helped me a lot acquiring skills in variety of domains and me becoming a person that I am today. So that's what I'm gonna keep working on, to be very honest. Okay, so it is time to leave. Around कितने बजे I don't know मोबाइल कितने बजे पता नहीं, but it is time to leave. मुझे आज chest and calves लेने with some abs. So chest के लिए the plan is very fairly simple. I am going to so last time I was pushing on 30 kg, so I'm gonna continue on the same weight this time, but the repetitions would increase, partial reps or the full reps, either or would increase. The intensity would be on the same level, and I'm gonna make improvements each and every week. Not in terms of weights to be precise, but बाकी जो चीज़ें हैं regards में वो भी control में, motion में, वो सब चीज़ों में. Because ultimately growing is not just pushing weights. Growing in terms of weight is not just pushing weights, because मैं कर सकता हूँ I can take 35 kg aside and push the weights unnecessarily, but that doesn't make sense. I don't want to injure myself, and I don't want a point in my life where I would have to sit home, cursing myself about that specific moment which hampered my duration of time. As I am 30 right now, I do not want to waste my time on any. I'm not going to take the word, but I don't want to waste my time. I just want to stay positive. I know that I have it in me, and I'm gonna push my all. I'm gonna become the best version of myself. I'm gonna achieve the vision that I have for myself, and to do so, I need to follow the plan. So, जिम को निकलते हैं, but एक सेकेंड सब ये खत्म करने से पहले for the past 1 or 2 days मुझे पता नहीं यार what's happening with my head, to be very honest. I am moody. I don't know why. By the way, this is day 6-7 of not talking to that girl. वो भी बीच में आ जाएगा. आज मैंने उससे बात की तो it will be a miracle. देखते हैं. But so that's aside. I don't know why, but say sad बोलने से अच्छा I don't feel like doing anything. चीज़ें रिपीटेटिव सी आई हैव एम्ब्रेस्ड बोर्डम, आई हैव एम्ब्रेस्ड डूइंग द सेम थिंग एवरी डे, बट द थिंग इज देयर इज अ पॉइंट इन माई लाइफ, देयर आर पॉइंट्स इन माई लाइफ व्हेन दिस थिंग हैपेंस एंड ये होने पे मुझे ऐसे पता नहीं यार, हर वक्त आई फाइंड वेज एंड मीन्स टू नेविगेट, बट अभी मैं मतलब वो चीज़ें जो लास्ट टाइम यूज़ की है वो यूज़ करके नेविगेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. आई गेस आई नीड टू I don't know. I'll find it. I always do. I'll find it. I'm not going to sit here and be bitching about it. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stop doing that thing. So, nikalte. It's time to go gym. No baby. It's time to go gym. Let's fucking go. Bro. Oh, that was heavy. That is heavy. boy.
Serious lifting होती है. Taking over. Now.
Light. खालती येतात नको ती. किती गेले? आई ग 8 गेले असतील. 8 ते 9 गेले का? We will be moving on to 35 next month. Next month is near. Bye. Record it out.
ज्या क्षणी हा मुलगा 40 किलो टच करेल ऑन बेंच, इन्क्लाइन डिक्लाइन कशावर, आय विल बी एनहान्स्ड दॅट टाईम. म्हणजे जोपर्यंत हा 40 करत नाही तोपर्यंत आय विल बी नॅचरल. ज्या क्षणी मी हा 40 करतो मी सुई लावतो 110%.
Let's go. On towards the next exercise. चल वर्टिकल. इझी गेलं राव. गेलं पाहिजे. Fucking You have to work so fucking hard. Office work plus workout. I am proud of myself. Proud.
Proud of you, beta.
Yeah.
Come on, beta.
10 आणि 5 ला. 10 आणि 2.5 ला.
लय उडतो. सर की व्हिडिओ चालू आहे मध्ये नको ये डी मादरचोद मुद्दा मोन मध्ये येणार.
44-13 on by 1. Come on.
दे रे हलका. लास्ट टू. खालती येतात नको देऊ.
होल्ड.
अजून एक घेऊ. अजून एक घेऊ. चा अर्थ काय असतो?
बेकार चोट. व्हिडिओ टाकते.
हा
टॅग कर.
नॅटी
मॉनिटाईजच होईल एक दिवसात. हो ना बडव्या सांगायची काय गरज.
त्याचं कशाला ऐकते. चल बॉय, यू गॉट इट. You have done something before, you can do it again. If you haven't done it before, you have a new opportunity to do it. Let's go, bitch. Up.
अप ए लवडे इकडे सरक थोडा. हां पुढं.
One.
कसलं बाप उचलतोय कमन रोहन.
Fucking astonishing. Seven sets of this shit show. Super set of crossovers and push-ups. It is difficult, but it is what it is. What? आई जाऊ दे.
पुढे तो दीड वाजता पालिकाला 1.5 घंटे होतो. तू पण त्यांच्याबरोबर असता तो आला पुढे तो